The Jeep Renegade, produced from 2015 to 2023, frequently suffers from false alarms where the alarm triggers unexpectedly. The most common culprits are the proximity antenna, door switches, and the radio frequency hub. The Prox Antenna detects your key fob within 5 to 10 feet using low-frequency RF signals for passive entry. Door switches are magnetic or plunger switches that confirm door closure and send signals to the body control module. These switches can degrade from moisture or wear, leading to false open door signals. The radio frequency hub manages all RF communications, key fob pairing, and alarm logic, integrating with the vehicle's CAN bus. Issues can stem from software glitches, faulty hardware, or RF interference, especially in urban areas with high electromagnetic activity. Faulty components send incorrect signals to the body control module, triggering the alarm. Door switch failures increase in humid climates due to corrosion. Overall, the alarm system uses keyless entry, proximity sensors, and RF signals to detect unauthorized access and prevent theft. First, check your Prox antenna located in the door pillars for misalignment or damage. Next, inspect door switches for moisture or wear. Clean the contacts or replace the switches if needed. For RFHUB issues, try resetting it using a Jeep-specific OBD2 scanner. Install software updates, especially OTA updates for 2020 and newer models, to recalibrate Prox antenna sensitivity. Use DIY RF shielding kits to help reduce interference from external signals. If problems persist, consider RFHUB replacement, but always disconnect the battery first to avoid BCM resets. Average repair cost is $250. Always consult a professional for electrical repairs to avoid voiding warranties. Consider taking your vehicle to a dealership, but be aware of a 2 to 4 week wait time on appointments.